How to recover Snapchat's My Eyes Only photos. Hello everyone, and let's get started. To start up with the solution, open the Snapchat application and go to any of your profile. After that, click on the settings icon from the top right corner. Scroll down until you find the section called as support. Under that, select on I need help. From this list, scroll down and you will see contact us button. Tap on it. Now from this section, select on I need help with a Snapchat feature. Scroll down again and then click on Memories. Now click on the Yes button and then select on Using My Eyes Only. After this, you will receive this form and also some additional support. Unfortunately, if you have forgotten the passcode and reset it, you will lose everything currently saved and it will not be able to recover. But for any other problems, you can just tap on the Yes button again. After that, you will need to fill up the form using the description whereby you can explain what the issue is and submit it. And in just few days, you will get a reply back from the Snapchat support team and you can recover your photos. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.